and today we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. I decided to go a little bit easy on myself today because I was trying to play other games, but they wouldn't let me because they were too hard. I mean, I didn't want to because they were too hard, so I just decided to stop and go easy on myself. And so I tried Temple Run, but the recording that I did on that was, it got messed up. And so I had to delete it because it was messed up. And so now I'm just so frustrated, and I really hope that this one does not mess up. So yeah. But I'm really good at Subway Surfers, so. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I don't have to. I don't have to do that. All that work. Oh, yeah. I can play Subway Surfers all day. Except I mess up sometimes. Now, I want my biggest score to be at least until 200. So we're going to keep on playing until we go to 200. So, yeah. Let's do that. Oh my gosh, my laptop is so slow. I mean, my tablet. I wish I had a laptop, but I do not. I wanted that little fishy thing, whatever that is. Until we get into 200, that's going to be impossible. Ooh, I like these bits. Ooh. What the heck? Oh my gosh. This is so slow. Oops. Okay, I didn't get those coins. What? Come on. Actually, I should have got those coins. I didn't get them. Okay. Yeah, I was so close. Oh my gosh. Heh. I got to save myself. Oh shoot. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Dang it. Save me number 2. Oh shoot. Save me number 4. Oh dang it. Okay, well at least I was close to 200, so it doesn't really matter now. Come on. You better hurry up, because I'm not even kidding. Ooh. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay. I was so close. Oh dang it, I didn't even get the mystery box. I don't like these shoes. They never make me do anything. Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm doing really well. Just need to get to 200. Oh, shoot. No! Dang! Okay, I can save myself. Yes, I'm so close to 200. Oh my gosh. Okay, save. Oh my gosh. I'm so close. I was so close. Oh my gosh. Okay. Get that? Yes, I got the mystery box. Okay. Oh my gosh. What? Saved myself. I saved myself. Oh my gosh. Please. Okay, tap. Ooh, yeah. Double up. No, never mind. I don't want to do. Okay. Never mind. If it's just this, then I can double up. I'll skip this part in the video so you guys don't have to sit through this with me. Okay. Let's play. Yeah, I doubled up. I just had to watch a video and that's it. So that was easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Come on, come on. I ain't got time for this. I got goals. Oh my gosh, why do I keep on bumping into that? Come on. I need to go to 200. Or else I'm not even going to stop this video. Oh my gosh. Come on. I need this. Come on. Come on. Dang it. Come on. Okay. Shoot, 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 shoot. Shoot! Dang. I'm not stopping to get to 200. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh. My neck is hurting. This is going to be a very long video. Not enough keys. I'm making enough. Come on, come on. I used to be so good at this. probably because my tablet's slow. Come on. Come on, come on. Great. Oh, save me, please. Oh my god. Oh, the dolphin. Oh, dang it. That wasn't a dolphin. I don't know why I called it a dolphin. Come on. I'm so close. Come on. Yes, a key. A key, a key. I need that key. So I can save myself if I mess up. Save myself. Yes. Ha. That's what I'm saying. Oh shoot, I don't like this one. Come on, come on. I'm so close to 200. Oh my gosh, I'm so close. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so close. Yes, I love this point. Yes! I made it to 200. Yes. Okay, let's tap this. Oh yeah, I got a new beanie. Oh no, never mind. Never mind about that. Okay. Well, I made it to 200, which I'm so happy about. And I also made it to the end of the video. We also made it to the end of the video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe because I make new videos every day. And, that's it. Oh yeah, and Benji, she also made her second video, her second video, which is actually playing a game. So I will link that. I'll either link that down in the description, or you could just go and watch it. But she's amazing, so yeah. Anyways, so yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.